Hello everyone, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to use a Google Drive link for resumes in simple steps. I'm also going to talk about any problems you may encounter and how to fix each one. So without further delay, let's get right into it. So first, you want to make sure your internet connection is turned on, and you also need a digital copy of your resume. A PDF or Word format is recommended for this. Or if you're using Canva, you'll need a resume template over there. So next, you need to open Google Drive. To do that, head over to this corner that says Google Apps and click on it. Scroll down to select the drive. So now you need to upload your resume file. To do that, head over to New, click on that, and select File Upload. Select your resume file and click on Open to upload it. On the right corner of the screen, you see the status of your upload, and it is done now. Click on the file to open it and make sure it displays properly. Okay, it's good. So now that we've confirmed the file opens properly, cancel that and head back over to Google Drive. Head over to the left corner of the screen and select Recent. Right-click on your resume and select Share. Now you need to change the general access from restricted to anyone with the link. Make sure this is set to Viewer. That way they can view it but not edit anything. However, if you'd like them to edit the file, select Editor. Click Copy Link. If you see an error that says can't set sharing permissions, check your internet connection and reload the page. If that doesn't work, you'll need to clear your browser cache. Click on Done and double tap your resume to open it in a new tab. Now that your file is open, select the text you'd like to use as link. I'm going to add one here that says View my resume. Make the text bold. Right-click and select Insert Link. Paste in your link and click Apply. If you see a message that says error saving the file with link in Google Docs, check your internet connection, reload the page, and paste the link again. Now that you've added the link, you want to make sure it opens properly and allows for only viewing and not editing. To do that, head over to File and click on that. Click on Download and select the PDF document. Double tap your file to open it. Once the file is open, click on your link. It's going to display a security warning. When it does, click Allow, and it will take you to a new tab in Microsoft Bing. Inspect your file and make sure everything is as it should be. Also make sure you can only view it and not edit anything. If not, you need to head back over to Google Drive and change the access. So we're done here. To add a link to your resume in Canva, you'll need to cancel this, open a new tab, and enter canva.com. Open your resume template. Head back over to Google Drive. Right-click on your file, click Share, and select Copy Link. Head back to Canva and select the text you'd like to use as link. I'm selecting this. Select Link. Paste in your link and click on Done. I recommend you change this to blue. That way, it will be easier to recognize it as a link and not just normal text. Now that you've done that, head over to this corner that says Share. Click on it and select Download. You want to make sure that you select PDF. That way, the link will be clickable on the file when you download it. Click on Download. Finally, you want to make sure the link in your resume works properly. Open up the file, click on the link. When it shows the security warning, click on Allow, and it will take you to a new tab in Microsoft Bing. Examine the file. Make sure it opens properly and allows for only viewer access, not editor. If the link doesn't work after adding it to your resume, head back over to Google Drive and make sure the access is set to viewer and not editor. Copy the link again and paste it to your resume. And that is how to use a Google Drive link for resumes. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, share, And leave a comment below if you have any questions or tips you'd like to share. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.